And on my lead vocal track here, I've got a send going out to this Vox parallel compressor, and it's in pre-fader send. Now this is important because what that means is any level changes I make to this fader, it's not going to affect the settings in my compressor. Ultimately, it's not going to affect the gain reduction in my compressor. So I'll show what I mean. I've got the compressor on here and I'm going to play it, and I'm going to reduce the fader on that lead vocal, and it won't affect the gain reduction in this compressor.
Feeling high by your side, our souls align.
Okay, so I dragged that all the way down to 0 and it didn't affect it. Now I'm going to put it into post fader. You could do post pan. I'm going to put it into post fader. I'll set it back to 0. I'll do the same again and you'll see what I mean. And you'll hear what I mean.
Feeling high by your side, our souls align. Feeling high by your side.
Okay, because it's post fader, any fader movements are then affecting the signal going to that auxiliary send and thus affecting the settings that I've made. So I've put it in pre-fader, and I do this when I'm doing any sort of auxiliary send processing like this, anything with dynamics.